After decades of perfecting their knowledge and expertise in the real-world laboratory, Pedders have developed a comprehensive range of suspension bushes for all things automotive. Bushes are designed to allow flexibility and movement while maintaining correct mounting and alignment of the key suspension components. Worn bushes can cause rapid tyre wear, unstable steering, and in some cases affect braking and handling. Despite major advances in modern-day synthetics, bushes made from a variety of materials including urethane and synthetic rubber have their limitations. Natural rubber is still the best all-round option, except when exposed to high levels of corrosive chemicals such as oils, waxes, solvents and pollution. Rubber bushes are more compliant than urethane bushes with superior elasticity and reduced NVH, noise, vibration and harshness. Pedders' range of aftermarket engineered rubber bushes are smooth, quiet and provide excellent control and response.